Hello foodies, welcome to Raji's Food Bay. Today I'm going to show you a very classic and a very popular recipe and something that I feel every person loves. Yes, it's time for Hakka noodles. Basically, it's a vegetable noodle recipe prepared in Hakka cuisine style. So try it out, these yummy homemade healthy veg Hakka noodles, which is very easy to make and absolutely delicious. So let's take a look at the ingredients required. Firstly, in a vessel, take enough water and add some salt to taste. Also add 2 tablespoons of oil. After it gets to a boil, add the Hakka noodles. Now semi-cook the noodles. See to it that it should not be overcooked. Approximately, you can cook this for 6 to 7 minutes in medium flame. Remember one thing, whenever you have to boil noodles, you need to take plenty of water because if the noodles are boiled in less water, they tend to stick to each other. Now drain the water and again we need to add 2 tablespoons of oil to avoid noodles to stick. Now chop all the vegetables you like and keep them ready. Here I am taking onions, carrots, bell peppers, cabbage and some spring onions. It's so colorful, no? Moving on, in a large wok, heat 2 tablespoons of oil and add some freshly chopped garlic and green chilies. Now add onions and stir fry. Once the onions are transparent, start adding all the colorful vegetables one by one. So here we go. Add thinly sliced carrots, shredded cabbage, some spring onions, and finally red, yellow and green bell peppers. Now just mix everything and stir fry on high flame for about 5 minutes. And when the veggies have lost quite a bit of moisture, quickly add 1 tablespoon of vinegar, 2 tablespoons of soy sauce, 2 tablespoons of green chili sauce, and 2 tablespoons of tomato ketchup. Now stir fry until the sauces well combine. Now it's time to add the boiled noodles. Add some salt, little pepper and give it a mix. Make sure that the noodles are completely coated with the vegetables and sauces. Cook for 5 minutes and check the seasoning at this point. If you need more salt, you can add a little bit. Finally, enjoy your Hakka noodles garnished with some more spring onions. It's done. These look so beautiful. So definitely give it a try and make it on a lovely day and enjoy with your family. And also at the same time, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. And if you like this video, do give it a thumbs up. See you all. Bye-bye.